Today we're going to do the Vlookup. We're going to go over that function. And the Vlookup function, I like to talk about it in terms of value 1 and value 2. What you see in front of you here is what the finished product looks like. So this is the original table, and what we're going to do is we're going to say value 1 is the value that we give it here, ABC. You can put in YZ if you like. And if you can see, it's going to tell us the corresponding functions. In order to do this, we used a Vlookup function here and a Vlookup function there to say whatever you put in here, we're going to find the corresponding function. All right, so now let's erase this and then work our way through the logic of the Vlookup. Okay, so again, value 1, value 2. So if I go Vlookup and see it's sort of guessing where we're going to go with that, Vlookup. So if I hit tab, I don't have to type the rest of the word Vlookup and or the rest of the function Vlookup. The first thing I'm going to tell it is the first parameter. There's 4 parameters I have to give it. The first of which is value 1. What value are we starting with? Okay, and what we're designating here is that this cell is going to be where we're going to put that value. So whatever value we put in there, that's our first value. That's value 1. And then what's our second value? Our second parameter. Sorry. Our second parameter is where are we? What is the data range that we're working within? So this is the data range. We're going to be looking in here. We're going to choose one of these, put it in here, and we're going to have it look up and return a corresponding price to that value. And it's all within this area. The third parameter is the column we're getting value 2 from. So the column where we're going to get price A from. And that is this second column here. So the way it looks at it is that this is column 1, 2, 3, and then if we had more values here, it'd be 4, 5, and it would go on and on. All right, so where are we getting it from? We're getting it from from column 2. All right, and then the fourth parameter is either true or false, and we're going to tell it, whoops, can't type. We're going to tell it false, and that's going to tell it to find an exact match. And it also doesn't require that the first column be sorted, which is what true would require. So we're going to use false. I find that most of the time I use false. And then let's kind of experiment here. You have the 2 little lines here, 2 hyphens, because it doesn't have a value here yet. So let's put in ABC. And what we should be getting is $4.50, which we did. All right, let's take a look here. Let's repeat this. We're going to go Vlookup, and we're going to tell it that grab the first value, value 1 from here. Choose this data range, and then which column are we going to be getting price B from? It's 1, 2, and 3. It's the third column. And again, false. And it should be $5.31, which it is. And this has some flexibility by choosing this cell. So if I just put STU, I will get $6.43 and $7.59. And you can see that it would be easy to build on this and have all kinds of additional values that you look up all at the same time when you put something in here. All right, thanks so much.